levels of accuracy for both geocoding and reverse geocoding, and this goes from some of the things we talk about, such as interpolated street addresses or intersections, but some of the, and points and parcel points. Some of the other ways that may not be as obvious but are just as important would include a street segment, for example, being able to type in Sycamore Lane but not have an address. Postal code centroids, these are different in every part of the world. Several levels in the United States and of different sizes. In UK or France or Australia, certainly very different ways of determining the size and density of postal codes. Highway exit numbers are a common one that we see from time to time. City or municipal or place centroids. Landmarks, points of interest, or business names. Landmarks and points of interest are coming up a lot now as we extend our geocoding into some of the less developed countries. And India is one, for example, where as the economy is booming there and more people are looking at geospatial technology, we're finding that traditional street addresses are not the norm, and we need to start being able to geocode to points of interest or referential locations around a bank or a city center. Neighborhood boundaries are starting to become in wide use. We have a couple partners that are providing without those information, and also some users want to use their own street center lines and point data. A good example was Las Vegas a few years ago, where the street network was changing so rapidly that none of the commercial vendors could keep up with it, but where the city was publishing new maps every couple months that people would have access to use. Now, let's talk a little bit about the technology. I'm going to tell you now about the delivery of this. So mostly we've been talking about data. Data is a critical element of geocoding, but the data is only a